Hello, I am Nick the Tool and I'm back to show you something that will hopefully make your life much more easier in your body shops and in some of your mechanical workshops. So this is one of our slide hammers, our puller assembly. This is a very clever bit of kit. Comes in a nice metal box, so you know it's going to be nice and strong. Comes with a little tray inside to keep all the bits and pieces together. And this is the slide hammer, which is enormous. So you've got this huge slide hammer, somewhere to protect your hand on this end. So obviously a painted finish, but loads of bolsters, so you can use it with confidence. You're not going to trap your fingers. So what else comes in the box? So if I drop that back into there, there's obviously the collar that fits on the end of the tool onto the thread. All of the threads on these are actually rolled in. They're not cut in like the cheap threads are on some of the cheaper pullers. So it is built to last. When you need to grab hold of something with a slide hammer, you're going to need some different accessories like these. So depending on what you're doing, how you're trying to attach, if you're trying to pull some dents out of the vehicle, you may be hooking under a wing, you may be trying to pull some of the flitches back. There's all different styles of hooks that you can use in here for all those different applications. It also comes with a chain. There's a full chain there, and also an adapter, so if you can't get a hook on anywhere, you can ride the chain round and then pull against the chain. Obviously you can use this with other pullers that you might have, so you might have a different puller you want to attach to the end. You can use that as well. So this is, you're trying to pull a hub or something maybe, this is going to make your life so much easier. No struggling. Part number wise, I'll put some information for you in the description for this video, so you'll be able to ask your franchisee. And if you want to know more about price or more information on the tool, he's the person to talk to. And if you like my videos and you want to see some more, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'm Nick the Tool, and I'll see you on the next video.